Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. You're looking at our view from the Dakota Magic Casino. This is exit 1 on I-29, and off in the distance is the interstate. It's a quiet night of travel. Our southern counties began the day with some fresh, flaky snow. The rest of us a bitter cold. Now we turn our attention to First Alert Weather Days for your Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's go through the planner and show you just a little bit about the track and timing of the system, both of which can and will change. But First Alert Weather Day has been issued because most models are in agreement that a storm will roll out of the Colorado Rockies. Now, if it does indeed track to the north just a little bit through South Dakota here, which is where the models show it coming through now, we'll have some mixed precipitation in our southern counties with all-out snow developing. And the timestamp on this is Tuesday in the morning. So Tuesday morning impacts and more widespread and greater impacts with increasing wind throughout your Tuesday mean that afternoon commute could be compromised for many. Certainly the storm lasting 2 days, gusty north winds bringing in some colder temperatures behind it could cause snow and blowing snow into your Wednesday as well. Any system that lasts 2 days, if it sits and spins over us, could deliver quite a pack of snowfall. This European model shows in white where the greatest risk is, the highest probability of 8 or more inches of snow by Wednesday evening. And this tracks through most of North Dakota and into western Minnesota, our core viewing area. Now, as we take a look here at the American model, there's fair consistency here. Both of them showing a very similar area of the best chance for 8 or more inches of snow. It drops off greatly down to the south. A lot can change, but First Alert Weather Days have been issued, which brings me to this question. What is a First Alert Weather Day? Well, here's what it is. We give you an alert. It's an alert to significant change in the weather. This would fit the bill there. We'll be tracking the impacts for you, letting you know when they happen, and we'll let you know if that First Alert Weather Day can be dropped if it doesn't look like it's going to track where it is now. So we will bring you the updates first. What a First Alert Weather Day is not, it's not a promise of huge deep snow. It's not a warning, but it is also not always for a storm. Sometimes we do it for a frost or a first wind chills that are significant for the area or some other kind of weather change that we feel you should know about. That's what the First Alert weather is all about. It's 8 below right now. Calm wind means we don't have much wind chill in Fargo to worry about, but check out these air temperatures up to the north. Roseau, 9 below. Thief River Falls, 5 below. Hallock, the cold spot at 13 below. 8 below also in Grand Forks. It's above 0 though in Lakes Country for now. Factor in the winds, and we have wind chills between 20 and 35 degrees below 0, and we've been reminding you, throw that survival kit in the back of your car, including something to keep everybody warm. As we go through the late evening hours, our temperatures will bottom out where they are now, maybe just a little bit colder. Then, overnight, south winds kind of start scrubbing that dense molasses of cold air out of here, and many of us will see a modest improvement of temperatures by morning. It will be wind chilly, but not nearly the ridiculousness that we experienced this morning. So a slight warm up into the morning, then for tomorrow, sunshine aplenty and temperatures peaking quite nicely down south with a few flurries late in the day into the evening from a storm system moving through southern South Dakota. Ramping those temperatures up, sunny, sunshine, and 20 degrees tomorrow in Fargo, warmer south, just a pinch cooler north, an improvement for all areas though. Now, if you happen to be taking the dog out for a walk today and you sniffed your wet nose on a cold rock, this is what happens. Oh, well, Randy, thanks so much for that. Randy's the dog, by the way, for your photo. Here's a look at the warming temperatures, a few flakes on Saturday, and temperatures warm even more into the start of our winter weather system that we'll be eyeballing for you Tuesday and Wednesday. Mike, you didn't have that problem with a rock sticking to your schnauzer this morning.
No. I pay attention to your weather and all the advice that you give, so
right.
I knew that was...
No.
Yeah, no. All right. Later on Valley News Live at 6, we're going to show you another part of our Aiming for Answers in an officer-involved shootings.